aka Enlighten Me. It's been a long time since I posted a video, but I've decided I'm going to try to get back at it, and I'm going to try to be consistent with it. I just love beauty products, hair products. So that's why I'm here. The first video I've decided to do is on the new Mono's hair product line. You guys, I smelled these products and I immediately decided I needed to buy the whole entire line because they smell so good. It's a kind of a masculine, perfumey, cologne-y, salon-y smell, if that makes any sense to anyone. So I went and I got the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. I got the Curl Primer by accident, the Curl Styling Potion, the Curl Restoring Treatment, and the Curl Smoothing Pudding. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna do a first impression review on the new Mono's hair product. So stay tuned. I went in the shower, wet my hair, and the first product I'm gonna try is the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. You gotta leave this in your hair for a couple minutes for it to like absorb and get, I don't know, but for it to like fully penetrate and work. The smell. I already said I love it. Doesn't bother me at all. But if you have a problem with strong scents, you're probably not gonna care for this too much because the scent is strong, but I love it because I just love to smell good and I love things that smell good in general. So I'm gonna work it in. I put it all over, all throughout my hair, and now I'm gonna work it in a little bit. I know it looks like I'm using a lot, but I'm not. Little sections, get my scalp, and then run it through the rest of my hair. I will tell you a little about myself. I'm from San Diego, California, born and raised, and I moved to Atlanta actually 8 months ago. So I've been in Atlanta for 8 months. I love it here. I have been to cosmetology school. When I was in San Diego, I went to Paul Mitchell, but I do not work in that field right now. I did used to do freelance makeup when I was in San Diego. I used to do photo shoots sometimes, nothing major. I did photo shoots, I did a couple weddings, but I haven't done that for a while. But I still enjoy makeup. I do my own makeup. I do people's makeup on occasion. I just did my sister's makeup the other day for her birthday. I'm thinking about getting back into freelancing, honestly, because I enjoy makeup so much. I also do special effects makeup. Every Halloween. I'll post my Instagram. I don't do it too often, but I'll post it for you guys to see it if you want. Every Halloween I go hard. I go all the way out and I do like special effects makeup. I like to do zombies, like really bloody, disgusting zombies. I'll do pretty things too, but for Halloween I prefer to do the gory Walking Dead type stuff. That's what I like to do. And that's who I am. I give you a little bit. So I know you guys don't want to hear me rambling on, and you probably don't want to watch me do this for hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up, get this stuff done, so you guys can get my final opinion on this product. All right, so I've got the co-wash in. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna rinse it out. All right, I'm back. I rinsed the product out. I mean, it's cool. My hair feels soft, but it was a co-wash. It's not bad. I didn't really talk about anything that's in the co-wash. It's supposed to remove light buildup and detangle. The first ingredients are water, cetyl alcohol, hydromodium chloride. Fragrance is really high up there. So really in the first 5 ingredients, it's nothing major. Way down in the middle, you've got some aloe juice, castor oil, jojoba seed oil, Abyssinian oils. Way down at the bottom, you've got mango seed butter, watermelon seed oil, avocado oil, apricot kernel oil, silk amino acids, is like the second to last ingredient. So it's cool. It's a co-wash. It was on sale, by the way. If you are watching this in October, all these products are on sale at Sally Beauty, 4 for $20. So if you want to try it out, it's probably a good time to go out there and get these products because they're on sale. Next product, curl restoring treatment. This is what it looks like. It's quite thick. It's not coming out of here. Smells the same. The ingredients, we've got water. Fragrance is very high up on the list. Yeah, the first 5 ingredients aren't really nothing great. In the middle is where you've got the good ingredients, like the mango seed butter, the aloe leaf juice, avocado oil. Yeah, it's really way down into the middle. So let me show you what the product looks like on my fingers. So this is it. It's a very thick, creamy product. All right, so let's get into it. It feels okay. From the previous reviews that I've seen, everybody has loved this stuff. So I'm hoping that I love it too, considering the fact that I bought so many of them. It's got an average amount of slip, nothing too crazy. Everyone's been saying that the products are smaller in size, and that doesn't bother me too much. This is no big deal, because the smell just really is, I'm telling you, it's the smell. I used not too much, a decent amount of product. I still have a decent amount left. I've got about maybe 2-3 more uses in here. I am going to let this sit for a little bit. Maybe I'll put on my little heat cap for a little bit, and then I will be back to tell you guys what I think about the deep conditioner. I just rinsed out the conditioner. I like it. I'll use it again. Is it my favorite? It's not bad though. Next, I'm going to use the curl primer. This has the lightweight leave-in treatment. It's got Abyssinian, apricot, and argan oil. It has coconut oil is the second ingredient. It's got a cone in it. If you don't like cones, it's in here. Grapeseed oil, glycerin, dimethicone, aloe leaf juice. This is in the middle somewhere. Abyssinica seed oil, castor oil, hydrolyzed wheat protein, apricot kernel oil. I'm probably doing overkill with this because I'm going to use this. I'm not a huge fan of spray leave-ins, and I actually bought this on accident. I thought it was the curl potion. So anyway, we're going to use it because we've got it. Okay, there's that. Next product I'm going to use is the curl styling potion. I've actually used this a little bit already. The way I like to apply my products is I put a little bit all over, and then I separate it into smaller sections and make sure I get every single part of my hair. This curl styling potion is supposed to be a 2-in-1 leave-in styler with soft hold. Now for me personally, my hair is 3C4A. I've got some 3C around the front and in the back. But this section right here, we've definitely got some 4A. So for me, I don't believe the curl styling potion would be enough hold for my 4A section. Maybe if all my hair was like this and I wanted a nice fluffy light look, natural flowing in the wind hippie look, yeah, but it's not the look I'm going for. And also this part of my hair would have a fit. There would be a rebellion right here. So this wouldn't be enough for me. So the next product I'm gonna go with is the Curl Smoothing Pudding with a hydrate with a medium hold. It also has apricot oil, meadow foam oil, and mango butter. The first ingredient is water again. Second ingredient is shea butter. Mango seed butter is not in the top 5, I don't believe, but it's like maybe the 6th. I'm not trying to count, but you know what I'm saying. Argan oil, Abyssinia seed oil. It's fairly high up on the list. Apricot kernel oil, jojoba seed oil. It's got a lot of decent stuff in it, and I'm happy that this one has like shea butter and coconut oil within the first 5 ingredients, which means it's pretty highly concentrated. It's white and it's also quite thick. Yeah, it's pretty thick. It's not coming out of here. This is what it looks like. Let's get started. And I'm putting in my actual styler. I'm gonna be a little less sloppy because this is the important part to me. So I'm not gonna use a lot. Just about this much, starting off. The way that I like to clump my hair, I apply the product and I rake it through, but when I rake it, I close my fingers like this to help with clumpage. It's pretty soft. It's pretty, like, it's got a real silky feel. I think I like this. See, I was saying I close my fingers together, so it kind of like straightens it out, but it will pop back. Dry, and so far I'm kind of digging this stuff, you guys. It looks pretty good. I'll show you when it's completely dry, probably tomorrow morning. All right, y'all, it's the next day. My hair is completely dry. I put it in a high ponytail on top of my head last night when I went to sleep. I woke up today, I took the scrunchie out, fluffed it out, sprayed a little bit of the curl primer all over, and this is what we've got. Let me get a little closer. I really like it. It looks really good. Do you see this definition and this shine? And I smell so good. But yeah, I mean, the only thing I need to work on is these edges. I need to hit these edges with some gel or something. But other than that, I'm really impressed with this product, and my hair feels really moisturized. So I'm giving these products 2 thumbs up. There are a couple items that I did not purchase because I wasn't interested, like the scalp clarifier. I'm just not interested in that. I don't have scalp issues. And then there was the gel. I did want the gel at first, but after watching a couple of reviews from other people, I decided not to get it because they're saying that it was flaking, and I just didn't want to deal with that. That's the end of this video, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.